Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Baby Yoda. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step in making our Baby Yoda, we're going to begin by making one curved line at the top of the page. Fantastic. Now let's move a little bit below and we're going to begin to make another curved line. At the end of this curved line, we're going to make one small line going down below. That looks great. Now let's go ahead and make one more curved line slightly to the right. Now under the face outline that we just made, we're going to begin to make the top of Baby Yoda's cloak. Now let's just go ahead and connect this line. Awesome. Now let's go slightly below the cloak. We're going to begin to make the bottom half. On the bottom line, it's going to be very wavy. Now to the left and right side of this cloak that we just made, we're going to begin to make each arm and hand of our Baby Yoda. Whoa, these hands look great. Now let's go ahead and take it back up top. We're going to begin to make one ear on the left hand side. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now let's move over to the right hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the left. Now our Baby Yoda is almost done, but we're not done just yet. So for the nose, we're going to make one small C-like shape. Now to the left and right side of the nose that we just made, we're going to begin to make a circle-like shape that will be an outline for the eyes. Now above each eye that we just made, we're going to make two small curved lines. Wow, this is coming along fantastic. Now under the nose that we previously made, we're going to begin to make an upside down curved line. Now we haven't yet just started making the pupils of our Baby Yoda, so in each pupil we're going to begin to make two small circles along with two small straight up and down lines. Now once we're complete with that step, we're going to begin to fill in each eye black. Now for the last step, we're going to begin to make one curved line in each ear of our Baby Yoda. This is how to draw Baby Yoda. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.